These days, businesses of all fields need to adapt not just to the ambiguous trends and market demands, but also to deploy all their tasks without leaving a stone unturned. A single glitch or the minutest deflection in the business operation can tarnish your brand's image. The bottom line, if you do not handle all your business tasks in a streamlined fashion, you cannot expect to rise above your rivals in this ferocious competition. But choosing what's best for your business isn't always a cakewalk. And when the decision is to select a contact center service provider, the task becomes more daunting for business owners. The good news is, SciFuture is at hand to give you tips for your quest to hire a DEF BPO service provider. Why is SciFuture the best choice for you? Here are 6 answers to that question. Number 1, experience handing over your business functions to a third party is a serious decision. You may have had a terrible BPO experience in the past or might have heard others ridiculing outsourcing. This is apparently because business owners sometimes do not scrutinize their outsourcing partner. Be very sure you contact a company with proven performance history. After all, no business owner wants to be on thin ice by delegating its tasks to a rookie. Number 2, safety and dependability both are serious concerns for business owners looking to hire an ultra-modern contact center service provider. Your current or previous vendor might have excellent resource capacity, but does it prioritize security? Renowned contact centers would give you guaranteed data security and clear reporting. Look for a trustworthy partner who realizes the protection of your data like you do. Number 3, conformity. You have to make sure that the contact center comprehends your requirements. To get complete peace of mind, ask the right questions to the prospective call center service provider. Make sure you pick a BPO company that can match the quality and the size aspect vis-a-vis your business. Number 4, quality assurance. Your BPO vendor will represent your business in front of your customers. This means that whosoever you choose must be consistent in delivering a sublime quality standard to your customers. For gauging this factor, you can always check the website of your BPO partner and see how other businesses have rated it. Tie up with an outsourcing brand that regards quality and service as a highly important parameter. Number 5, technological robustness. In this digital era, when every business is trying to surpass its rivals by using the best technology, you have to be proactive about it too. Your BPO service provider should be equipped with updated and modern infrastructure that supports the latest technologies and their applications. A vendor who embraces new technologies like AI and cloud is more ready to compete in the future. Number 6, transparency. When you look for an outsourcing partner, you are seeking a successful extension for your business. Like any partnership, outsourcing also demands a clear reporting and management procedure. So check how frequently you will get access to performance reports. These are the few aspects that need to be considered while selecting the best BPO service provider for your business. With 17+ years of experience in the industry and an astounding track record of serving more than 10,000 clients across the globe, SciFuture has the capability to deploy efficient and effective contact services for your business. Take a look around at www.scifuture.com and scale new heights in your business.